Welcome everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are on a mission and we are going to get a £19 coffee table. If you don't know about this place, it is affordable furniture for ladies and gentlemen like yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel please. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoy this one. Why did they put 2 flights of stairs in this building? Walking through Ikea is like walking through a maze. If you get stuck in the kitchen, you won't make it out. It's not only just furniture they sell in this place, they also sell meatballs and hot dogs. That is not that great, but still the furniture is good. I'm trying to pee.
Come out. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Another room.
There's me, trying to knock my wife up again. For the ones that don't know what that means, it means get her pregnant.
Let's go. Dirty mind. Okay. Yeah, it's like a house. Got a reading table. There you go. The living space. Are you trying to cook or something?
No, I'm trying to look for food.
And here are the coffee tables. So we're gonna be getting this one.
Ah, look at that ring. I gave her that ring. Nah, 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 nah.
That's the size. Then it's got a bigger one size for this if you got a bigger house.
So many different colours, but the black one, for me, is the best.
That's how big it is. Yeah. So it's got white color. That's the white. Then it's got white for the big size. It's got underneath like this. This is another color. This one is not nice at all. This one's at £10. It's got them in the 3 colors. No, I think it's 4 colors. Yep.
Whee!
Please get what we need to get.
Sometimes I have a mind like a child. As you can tell.
Is everything in there?
Sideways motion. Yay! Wee! If you don't know what part I am in Ikea right now, it's the part where you pick up all the furniture that you need in a flat pack. It's a very good idea. This is how it's like in the back of a warehouse. They basically tell you, pick your item you want and get out. And if you go further down there, you can have some food. Our non-delicious meatballs.
You're scanning. See there.
£19 is an actual bargain. I've spent more buying coffee than I have on this table. Coming out of the elevator, I'll give you some sideways motion and some wiggle wiggle. And this is where I got caught by the wind. I'm flying away, back home. Let's go!